Hello and welcome back to part 2 of our series where we are upgrading a Dell Latitude E5430. Go check out the previous episode if you haven't watched it already. The basis for this video series is upgrading an old laptop so it will run Minecraft. In the last episode I upgraded to a solid state hard drive, I upgraded the RAM to 8GB and I upgraded the CPU and integrated GPU. Where it all went wrong is the chipset was extremely hot. The laptop ran for a week or two and then it died. Fortunately I had a second identical laptop. This time I'm going to attach an additional heatsink and heat pipe to the laptop's cooling system. I ordered copper bar and heat pipes through AliExpress. Please sit back and enjoy the montage. well, that's it. This was a bit of a fail, but it still works. The chipset is warm but not hot. One final tip for this episode, go into your Windows update and check for driver updates. Here's the before and after result. Tune in next time where we go one step further and massively improve the cooling. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Thanks for watching.